Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up the F-omatic plugin to automatically post to Facebook, as this changed massively, and I will redo this video from time to time as Facebook likes to change their admin interface and their app API management console. So yeah, when this will change again, I will redo this video again. But now let me show you how to set up the post to Facebook part of the F-omatic plugin and use it to automatically post to Facebook from WordPress. So F-omatic is linked in this video's description. Go ahead guys and check it. Also, let me show you how to set it up right now. So to go ahead and create your first Facebook app, you will need to click here, and afterwards you will need to create your developer account on Facebook if you don't have a developer account yet. Afterwards, click here, the create app green button, and when this will show up, give a name. Anything can be added here, and click next. Use cases, let me show you what to select here. Click all, and here search for manage everything on your page. So click manage everything on your page, click next. Here select a business which is verified. I have here a business verification complete on this page. If you don't have this part, it's okay, but it is recommended to select a business which is verified. Click next. Here you don't have to do anything, click next, and here you will see some summary, an overview, and click go to dashboard. If you are asked your password, enter it, and afterwards we will go to our app settings. So F-omatic is the latest version. Be sure to update it to the latest version before doing this, as the latest version contains all the necessary changes to make the plugin work using the latest API version of Facebook. Okay, so now go to customize them and manage everything on the page and click there, and afterwards Facebook will redirect you to this page. Here you will have many permissions for your app, and we will need to enable some permissions for here. So for this, go to before this we need to add our app settings. So go to basic in app settings and get your API ID and also the secret. Don't bother using these these API credentials, as I will delete this after I do this video. So add your app ID and app secret here in the settings. Click save app info, and now we will need to do the credentials that I discussed earlier. So for this, go to publish here and click manage everything on your page, and this will lead you back to the credentials and the features page where you will need to enable some of these permissions. So to know what permissions to enable, go to post to Facebook, and if you entered your API settings here in the main settings, you will see this, and here you will see all the permissions that need to be enabled. So first is email. Search for email, click add, and let it to process until it is finished. Afterwards, public profile, this is already added by default. Afterwards, pages read user content, click add. Manage pages manage posts, this also needs to be added. Pages read engagement, and finally pages show list, this is already added by default. So after we've done this, we are good to go. And one more thing, go to app settings once again and add your privacy policy URL. This should be a valid privacy policy URL, as Facebook sometimes checks this. And after you edit it, click save settings. After you also done this, be sure to publish your app, as if the app is not published, it cannot create public posts on Facebook. So after you have seen this, so publish, and I move myself out for a minute here and click the right bottom blue button, publish here. And after we are done, the app is published. You can see is the status here, published, and we will be able to continue to use it. So these are the steps required to set up the Facebook posting. So now, after we've done all these steps, click here in the plugin post to Facebook menu, click login with Facebook. And I forgot also one thing, sorry for this. One more thing to do is this red URL needs to be copied, and in the Facebook login for business, click settings and scroll down until you see valid OAuth redirect URIs, paste it here, hit enter just to be sure that it displays like this, and save changes. And now we are really good to go. We can now click login with Facebook, and if everything is set up correctly, we will see this screen, and click continue as your name. Here you can, I recommend that you set opt-in to all current and future pages, or you can select the pages that you want, but I like to opt in to all future and current and future pages. Click save and click got it, and we will go back to our WordPress site now, and here we have our pages listed where we can publish. So select the page where you want to publish your post. Here we have more settings which currently don't need to be configured. Click save, and let's check our Facebook page which I selected. So this is the Facebook page which I selected. Let's refresh it just to see that this is the latest post on it. Okay, now let's go and here to posts. Okay, now let's go ahead and test this, add a new article. We can manually publish existing posts or create new posts. So let's create a new article here, reset your body, and reset your body now, and click publish. Let's check also what settings do we have here in Facebook auto posting. So we enabled auto posting of posts to this page. So all new posts which are published will go and will be published to our Facebook page. So let's refresh our Facebook page, and here it is, reset your body just now was published. Let's go and publish another one. For example, let's say that I will test F-omatic. Okay, let's publish it again. And after publishing is ready, so the post should appear soon here. If you want to see what is happening in the background, you can check the activity and logging of the plugin. So we can go and refresh it again, and the posts will appear here soon. Okay, so I don't wait for this post to appear, but I might pause the video to wait it out. Okay, so let's see once again, and we just got the post test F-omatic just now, and here it is, it's live once again. Okay, So this is how you will be able to post from WordPress to Facebook using F-omatic. The setup is shown in this video, and if you have questions, let me know in the comments. If you have also ideas, let me know if you have future update ideas. So this is all for today. Check F-omatic in this video's description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.